Hello, my name is Bartley Beckert. Usually go by Bartley to most, but then again, I also in the classroom will go by Mr. Beckert or Mr. B. Currently, I'm an adjunct faculty in the Department of Mathematics, primarily teaching college algebra. I also supervise student teachers, a cohort of student teachers for a university. I have not taught online officially. However, I have worked over the past semesters to incorporate something new each semester, new technique, new software, new something connected that hopefully is preparing me to move into an online teaching opportunity. Some of the challenges that I see with the online as a student or instructor involve creating the routines that in on-campus classroom would have, getting to the computer, doing your work, keeping up with assignments, and creating and establishing those routines. I think those help us become effective in our lives. Another piece that, as an instructor, I think about a lot is the connecting with students. That is something that is something for me. I think that if we connect with them, we can influence them properly or make a difference once we connect. So some ways that I do that, and this goes back to the article a little bit, really believe in using names and connecting with students maybe through some low risk experiences first, asking some questions that are low risk for the students, and then building upon those and upon the connections we make there. As we go through this, I really hope to, my hope is to learn from all of you. I'm hoping also that this will provide preparation for me in the areas that I need to be an effective online instructor, as well as to help me polish up areas that I've already started and I'm working on, making those more effective as well. I look forward to a lot of aspects here and really want to get an idea of the whole process, from the big picture and the planning that you have to do ahead of time, taking it all the way through to learning this, some specific softwares and programs, hardware, whatever, those specific things that you need to individualize the instruction a little bit, and also to be able to demonstrate and assist students. There's just so much to learn. I'm so excited to get the opportunity to do that. And I thank all of you for letting me come along on this journey and appreciate it.